Now that you know you have batches to review, click the name of a batch to start review. Alternatively, you can click the Actions menu for that batch and select View in Review mode. As a first step, decide whether you would like the documents you review and tag to be hidden the next time you open the batch. If so, click the cog icon on the Results List panel and make sure the Hide Reviewed Documents when opening batch is selected. This setting sticks across batches, but can be unchecked at any time you wish to unhide the reviewed documents. The review page for the specific batch displays 3 panels. The left-hand pane is the batch results list, and the individual documents contained in the batch are listed in card view. Each card represents one document, with the card displaying some basic metadata. Note the document count at the bottom of the results pane. This count lets you know how many documents are contained in your current batch. By default, 30 documents display per page of the results list. You can change this number under the User Preferences menu. The document currently selected in the results list displays the Viewer panel. At the bottom of the screen, you see the name of the batch you are currently reviewing, along with a percentage that represents the percent of documents reviewed in your batch. As needed, you can switch between document views. Select a new view from the top of the Viewer panel, and the viewer display updates. If you have a preferred view, hover on that option and then click the pin icon when it appears. As you move between documents, the pinned view is displayed by default. If the pinned view cannot be quickly rendered, the text view will load so you can begin review without delay. Page navigation in text view differs from other views. In text view, move from page to page using the previous and next page buttons at the bottom left of the viewer. In other views, move from page to page using the scroll bar. Or expand the thumbnail view and click a thumbnail to jump to that page within the document. Additionally, the bottom middle toolbar allows you to adjust these views. Use the slider to zoom in or out, or the zoom window tool on the right to select a specific part of the document with your mouse and zoom into that area. Fit to Width, Fit All, and Rotate are also available on the bottom toolbar of the viewer. You may have noticed there is also a redaction view. And if you will be redacting documents, please be sure to watch the redactions training video. Now and again, you may want to look at a document's full metadata. Click the eye icon located on the viewer toolbar. The metadata for the active document displays. Click the arrow at the top right of the metadata panel to hide that panel. The right side pane contains the tagging panel, used to apply coding to a document. Make your coding selections and click the Save button to save the coding and remain on the current document, or click Save and Next Unreviewed to save the coding and move on to the next unreviewed document in the results list. The Quick Tags panel lives below the tagging panel. There are 8 tags that your case manager can set with common tagging combinations to speed review, and the tags are available for all users working in the project. If a quick tag number is highlighted, it is active for use. Hover on the quick tag, and a fly-in window appears, showing the coding combination that will be applied to the document if you click the tag number. Multi-entry and hierarchy field values have 3 possible states, as noted in the legend. Solid gray means the existing value for all selected documents will be left as is and not overwritten. Solid white means that value will be cleared for all selected documents, removing any existing value. A check mark means the value will be added to all selected documents. Text fields have 2 possible states. If left empty, any existing text will be left as is. If text is inputted, The new text will overwrite any text that already exists. There is no append option. After a quick tag is clicked, the coding is applied, and you are automatically advanced to the next document in the results list. You may also see L and U quick tags, which, if enabled, appear after you have tagged your first document. L duplicates all tags applied to the last document to the next document. This includes tags previously applied by other users. If the next document already contains tags, those tags are overwritten. U applies only tags you added to the last document to the next document. If the next document already contains tags, those tags are not changed. Use care when adding text to a text field and then using the L or U quick tags. Any text that already exists in a text field for the next document will be overwritten. If you feel changes are needed to the present quick tags, please discuss this with your case manager, as any modifications need to be approved by the project team. Once you have finished your batch and conducted any necessary QC, you want to mark the batch complete. This step alerts your case manager that the documents in the batch can be moved to the next phase of review or production. Switch to the Assignments page and locate the finished batch. Click the Actions button and select Mark Complete. You can optionally add a comment before clicking the Submit button. Once the Submit button is clicked, the batch is automatically removed from your Assignments page.